In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a plugin to your website using Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're looking to add more functionality or integrate new features, adding plugins can greatly enhance your website's capabilities. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger Website Builder account. If you're not logged in already, head over to the Hostinger login page and enter your account information. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll be at the heart of your website building platform, ready to make those important tweaks to improve your site's performance and usability. Now, once you're at the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the section titled Plugins, Add-ons, or Apps, depending on how it's labeled on your interface. This is your go-to place for accessing all the additional tools you can integrate into your website. Click on this section, and it will take you to the plugin management area. With this panel open, you can browse through a variety of available plugins designed to meet the needs of any type of website. As you start browsing, you might see a plethora of categories, ranging from analytics and marketing tools to social media and security enhancements. Choose a plugin that fits your website's needs by exploring these categories. Remember, the right plugin can significantly improve not only the functionality, but also the user experience of your site. Once you've decided on a plugin you'd like to add, the next step is to click on the Add or Install button. This button is usually prominently displayed next to the plugin's name or description, so it should be easy to locate. Clicking Add or Install will begin the setup process for the plugin. Some plugins may require additional configuration, so make sure to follow any on-screen instructions provided during this step. These instructions may involve setting up permissions or integrating other services, but don't worry, they are usually straightforward and there to help get the plugin running smoothly. After you've installed and configured your chosen plugin, it's time to save your changes and publish them. This is essential to make sure that everything you've worked on is live and ready for your website visitors to experience. Click on the Save button to store all the modifications you've made, and then hit Publish to update your website with the new plugin on board. And there you have it. You've successfully added and activated a plugin using Hostinger Website Builder, enhancing your website's capabilities with just a few clicks. Don't forget to test your site to ensure the new features are functioning as expected. Thanks for watching and happy building!